In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create invoices in X-Pro. Navigate to the X-Pro tab. Choose Invoices. Click on the Create Invoice button at the top right corner. Specify the name to which the bill should be addressed. Enter the billing address. Provide the email address where you would like the bill to be sent. Kindly fill in the shipping information. Once all the billing and shipping details are filled, make sure to write down the invoice number and select the date. Specify the payment terms. Select the due date. Enter the purchase order number. This space is designated for a thorough description of the items or services provided. To add several items or services, simply click here. Write down the price of items or services provided. Provide the specific quantity. Add any specific notes or details you wish to include in your invoice. Specify the discount applied. Provide the total amount of taxes. Write the applicable shipping charges. Provide the amount that was paid. According to the information you've given, the final balance will appear below in the Balance Due section. As the last step, click the Create Invoice button to produce your invoice. Your invoice has been added. Here, you have the option to view, edit, or delete it from this location.